Ask Kamkanjo. What is going on between Ifunanya and our new Gateman?
Osigene, please, my sister, what were you saying? You should be the one to tell us if you had noticed anything.
My dear, I don't know what I did to that girl. She has been disturbing me about that new Gateman. Have you given him food? She won't let me rest. Please, if she wants to do love, let her not use me do love. If she wants to practice love, let her not use me practice love. Because if I lose it for her, you guys she want her for me. You guys she want her for me.
I said it. I said it. There's something going on between these both of them. I said it. See, maybe she was only fighting for his rights. You know, that boy looks humble and quiet. He doesn't like to talk. And you know, Chef Choma, she likes riding on people's weakness. Maybe that was what Ifunanya saw that made her started speaking up. You know, she doesn't like when people are intimidated unjustly. It's a lie. Yes.
Ifunanya is so cheap. She's so cheap. Whenever she sees any fine boy around, that is her busybody will just be controlling her. Controlling her. Eh? I wonder what that girl sees in that church rat. That dirty gate man. Hey!
What she saw? You were the one that just said he's a fine boy.
And so, fine boy no money. Fine boy Coco OG. OG! Hey! Some girls are shameless. Hey, homie. Nke baby. Nke nwa. We stoop so low to date that church rat. I chineke baby. Well, God forbid bad thing. I cast down bind. Adaku, I know my class. And I will remain in that class till I die. Yes!
Nke baby.
You know. That boy is him. I don't think about that name.
You're back?
Yes, okay now.
Wait. Sorry. I wanted to say thank you for your kindness towards me in this palace. In fact, apart from my mother, you're also the reason why I haven't stopped working here.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Wait. I don't know your name.
Ifunanya.
Ifunanya. Oh, that's a very beautiful name. My name is Obina.
Okay, Obina.
Thank you. She's very tall. Hi.
Hey, lazy Gateman. Always sleeping on duty. Mr. Man! Get up and take your food. This is your night food. Take your food! You're not
Thank you.
Keep the test to yourself and do your work properly. Must you always sleep?
But Auntie, the job is very...
Shut up! What did you just call me? Did you just call me your auntie? Wait, Do I look like your auntie? Don't call me your auntie next time. Don't call me your auntie next time. Did you hear me?
I was only trying to explain to you that the job is stressful, and I'm a peace-loving person. I'm not a troublemaker, and I don't want us to fight. Please, we can live together in harmony. I can be your brother, you can be my sister. We don't have to quarrel. Please.
Wait, so did you just call me troublemaker?
I didn't say you're a troublemaker. I only said we can live together in peace and harmony. Please.
Please keep the peace to yourself and do your work properly. Must you always sleep? Ah! Nonsense.
Hi. What have I even done to deserve all this hatred?
I do not need to remind you about what you're here to do, about where you are, about what you're doing. You have your respective duties. I urge you to do your duties diligently. I urge you to recognize what you are supposed to be doing and do it. I urge you not to gallivant. This is the palace. And you must respect the palace. You must show loyalty to the palace and to your duty. You are all my children. Every one of you, at least by virtue of your being a member of this kingdom. I don't have many children. I have just three biological children. My son, who is not living with us, who is abroad, and my 2 daughters. So, you're all children of the palace. My son will be coming back maybe in about 3 months' time. Yes. And I want him to come into a palace where there is love. A palace where there is order. Not a palace of anarchy. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, you will.
Good. Does anybody have anything to say? Like maybe you have a challenge in your duty post? Yes.
Igwe, may your days be longer than that of your fathers. Igwe, as the commander in charge of the security affairs of this great palace, Igwe, I just have, I just need clarification in some of the areas of my job, sir.
I'm listening.
Igwe, Uncle Afunwa categorically told me that on no account must I leave my duty post, which is the entrance of this great palace, also known as the gate, sir.
Yes.
So I asked him, how do I get my food, sir?
What is it? Quiet. Let's hear it. Go on.
Thank you, Your Highness. May I continue my...
Go on!
Yes, sir. Igwe, so I asked him, wouldn't I be needing, you know, my own time to have lunch, dinner, and my breakfast as someone who is working in this great palace, sir? So he told me in confidence that I can have my breakfast and lunch at my duty post, sir. That the chef will always bring my food to me, sir.
Yes. What about that? Do you have any problem with that?
No, sir.
So what are you complaining about?
There's a problem, sir.
What is the problem?
Sir, the chef does not like bringing my food to my duty post. Sir, she told me that anytime I feel hungry, I should walk down to the kitchen myself to take my food. Yes, sir.
You mean leave your duty post?
Yes, sir. Sir, sometimes I stay hungry for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, sir. Sir, but the major problem is I have ulcer, and the doctor said I must eat food.
Go hungry in my palace?
Yes, sir. Very hungry, sir.
Igwe.
Will you speak before I break your neck?
Igwe, I'm so sorry. It did not happen exactly the way he said it. I know I've failed to get his food once, but I apologize to him now. And since then it has never happened again.
Eh?
Yes, now. Igwe, I'm so sorry.
Igwe. She also said that she's in charge of the palace, sir. That she's going to deal with me and everyone that supports me, sir.
Igwe.
She said she will make my life miserable, sir.
Igwe, it's not like I said that, oh. I didn't say it.
Quiet!
You said all that?
I didn't say all that, oh.
I see that some of you take my leniency. Some of you take my kindness as a sign of weakness. You take it for granted. But I tell you, we are soon going to end that. You. Be careful. You just entered the snake hole, and the snake has not bitten you.
And this is a warning to all of you, especially you, the palace cook. If you like, correct yourself. And if you don't like, keep misbehaving.
Igwe, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Adako, that boy has no shame. Shame? No one at all. Imagine food. Ordinary food. I mean, what is food? Huh? Hunger has made the boy forget his common sense. He doesn't have any sense again because of food. Adako? That boy forgot everything he's supposed to be in the city and came to the palace just to be a common gateman. Just because he wants to be eating food. Ordinary food, beg food. And that food is the main reason he's here. The chef is trying to deny him of it. Food. And he's like, they are not giving me food. Nah, as I did not see food to eat. What will I do? Igwe must hear this, my dear. Food! Akperi dun beg. It's just food! That longer.
You see, people's judgment sometimes over certain issues just baffles me. Yes. Nkechi, Adako, let me ask both of you. Ever since you started working in this palace, has there ever been a time the chef denied both of you your food? No, answer me. So because the boy is a nobody, because he's a gateman, he should die. He should be dehumanized, right? Such a shame that both of you are happy over this.
Ifunanya, shame to you. We know you like Obinna. In short, you are even in love with Obinna. Anytime you hear about Obinna's matter, your body be doing bazakwi. Shame on you. Did you even call this one?
Don't mind her. Solicitor and advocate. Defense counsel, we've seen you.
Food couple. Where couple? Food couples, beggars.
Two of them like
beggars.
food.
Food.
So this is how this boy plans to take away food from my mouth and the mouth of my family members. He wants me to be sacked from this palace. For this very singular act of yours, I will make sure you lose your job in this palace. Is it not food? You will eat and eat, but you shall eat to your distraction. Yes. If anyone bites me on the head without minding my hair, when biting the person on the anus, I won't mind your excreta. Yes, Obinna, or whatever you call yourself, the battle line has been drawn.
My friend, open the gate.
Sir?
Look at this idiot. Look at this big fool. So you don't know me anymore?
I don't know you, sir. I'm new here.
Oh, open the gate.
Sir, who are you? And what are you doing here? Are you here to see someone?
Okay. I'm here to see the princess. Princess Adeze.
Princess? Did she give you an appointment?
Oh, open the gate.
Sir, did she give you an appointment?
Look at this stupid woman. Open this gate.
Sir, I am the chief security officer of this palace. Did she give you an appointment? My princess. Sorry. Are you expecting anyone? There's one small boy at the gate. He said he wants to see you.
What's his name?
I don't know, ma'am.
You are a compound fool. Good for nothing idiots. That's what you are. Now, leave my sight.
So let me ask his name.
Get out!
Let me ask him his name. I'll be right back.
Can you imagine this fool? Look, can you just imagine?
Please, sir, what is your name?
Oh my goodness, God. Are you insane?
What is your name, sir?
Are you mad?
Sir, I am the chief security officer of this palace. I'm asking you, what is your name? Sir, what is your name?
Excuse me.
What is your name? Your name? What is your name? This is my job. You can't just walk into this place.
Can you just open
I'm
this
in charge
gate?
of this gate. What is your name, sir?
Are you mad?
What is your name, sir? You said that you're here to see the princess. Did she give you an appointment? You say no. What is your name? What is your name, sir?
Okay, fine. My name is Chike. I am the princess husband to be.
Chike.
Now you know.
Chike.
Open the gate.
Chike who?
You're mad.
Princess husband to be. Wait for me.
Overripe Popo. Can you imagine? suffered.
And what was that noise at the gate?
Huh?
What was that noise?
The small boy, he said his name is Chikema.
Oh my God. Obina, you left my fiancé at the gate.
Oh.
And you there dress him as a boy.
No,
Are you mad? Now, go and open the gate for him. Obina, go and open the gate for him. Are you mad? Get out. Get out. Get out.
After I told you, are you mad? Are you stupid? After I told you I'm the princess husband to be, you left me out there. Are you mad?
My love is okay.
Can you imagine?
My love is okay.
Who does that?
No, I understand. I'm sorry. I've already given him the beating of his lap. Please, just let him.
Look at this idiot. What guts? He kept me out there waiting for so long.
It's okay, okay? You know, he's new here. We just employed him.
Sorry now, sorry sir.
Don't talk. Just keep quiet.
I was asking for his name.
Don't talk. I said you should not talk.
I was asking for his name. He refused to tell me your name.
You want me to slap you again?
Ma? No.
Don't talk.
Sorry now.
Hi. It's okay.
Come to think of it, what about the other guy? The other Gateman that does his work very well. Where is he?
He's left.
This person is not meant to be in this palace.
I know. We just employed him newly, so we hope he improves. Okay? Just you came to see your love, right? Don't let him spoil your mood. You're keeping me standing.
It's okay.
Can we go in?
Rubbish.
I don't know where they got that boy from. He's just a dumbass.
I couldn't hold my laughter.
Me too.
They should just send that boy back to his mother. I'm tired. What kind of thing is this? Since he came here, it has been from one story to the other.
No, Adako. They shouldn't send him back to his mother. Instead of, they should send him to the kitchen where he will stay with Jeff and be cooking. You know he likes to. If you see SS.
Excuse me.
Obina, I want to talk to you, only if it's okay.
It's okay.
Were you crying?
No. I wasn't crying. Ify, I'm tired. I feel frustrated. I didn't do anything wrong today. I was only doing my job. How can I allow a stranger into the palace without asking questions? I'll be putting the palace at risk if I do that. I didn't know he shared a personal relationship with the princess. They both wanted to kill me. What was my offense? Because I opened the gate, or I did not open the gate? I'm just tired.
Obinna, you did nothing wrong. As a matter of fact, you did the right thing. Obinna, you need to know that you are a man. And in a man pursuit for his destiny, there will definitely be obstacles on the way. But it is left for that man to remain focused in order to achieve his goal. You have to remain focused to achieve success, Obinna.
You're right.
Of course I'm right. Obinna, I believe in you. Yes. I believe that you will not end up in the gates for the rest of your life. I believe that you're only in this palace for a short period of time, to raise money for yourself, to become a better person. I believe that you will make it in this life. But Obinna, you have to stay focused for all of these dreams of yours to come to pass. Okay?
Thank you, Ify. You know, you're a God sent. God sent you to me to guard me. I was thinking of quitting the job because I'm tired of the humiliation. They almost got me killed. The princess and her boyfriend. I was thinking of going back home to my mother because I'm tired of the way they treat me here. But now that you have spoken, I feel better. And I promise to stay focused, like you have said. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate everything.
It's nothing.
Please, can I give you a hug?
Yes.
Don't say no.
Yes, why not? Oh, Obinna. Did you see that?
What?
It was like a flash. I don't know. Did you see it?
Maybe he wants to rain.
Yeah, maybe. I have to go to my room now, okay? Have a good night. You're welcome. Good night.
Igwe, you should recognize them now. They were kissing each other, touching each other. They do that every midnight.
This is serious.
Igwe, very serious. And you need to do something. Yes.
Obinna! 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 Eche! Eche. The king wants to see you.
Huh?
I said the king wants to see you.
The king wants to see me.
Yes.
I hope all is well.
I hope so too.
I hope the princess hasn't reported me to the king.
This sudden call by the king is not ordinary. It's obvious someone has committed a crime and is about to receive the king's hammer. Who knows who? We shall soon know. Let's go find out.
It has come to my notice that some of you have turned this sacred place, this venerated royal palace, into a cesspit. Turned it into a brothel. Turned my palace into fragmented chalice. Do you know what a brothel is? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
What?
Do you mean the palace is now a hotel?
Are you normal?
Yes, sir.
Are you a nitwit?
Yes, sir.
Now keep quiet.
Yes, sir. Sir, I thought it was hotel, sir.
He's an imbecile. An uneducated fool.
Sir, but it's hotel, sir.
Illiterate.
It's hotel.
This is a holy place you've turned into a brothel.
Sir, it's hotel, sir.
Can somebody tell this nitwit to remain silent?
Yes, sir!
As I look at faces, I am looking at faces that are guilty. Faces brimming with guilt, filled with guilt. Turning my sacred place into a place where babes, useless, hopeless boys and girls, females and males indulge in sexual immorality.
Are you having sex? Are you having sex?
No.
Are you having sex?
Hey, shut up! Let me talk.
Sir, they said they are not having sex, sir.
I'm giving some 5 to 10 seconds of grace. If you know you are guilty, if you know that you have done anything untoward in this my palace, something resembling what I have just described, you indicate. Indicate by raising your hand or by filing out here. 5, 10 seconds. Ifunanya and Obinna.
Your Majesty.
No.
Your Majesty, no.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I can swear with even the Bible that ever since I started working in this palace, I have never had any reason to soil my womanhood. Never.
Your Majesty, you know when I started working here? I started working here because I wanted to help my old mother in the village. Since I started working here, things have been very, very difficult. And it gets worse every day. Your Majesty, I'm still a virgin. I've never had sex before.
Quiet! Quiet! Quiet!
Your Majesty, I'm just trying to...
I said quiet! You! All of you. Go back to your duties. Go.
Yes, sir.
Shut up, stay here! Go!
Sir, I'm a virgin. No, I've never had sex before.
Igwe wouldn't have called us all up if he didn't hear or notice anything suspicious.
Exactly what I'm saying, Adako.
But why was Ifunanya and that stupid useless boy called out?
I already know there's something going on between those two.
Yes, if you see the way that Ifunanya used to react whenever it's any issue that concerns Ubina, it is obvious she likes the boy or the boy likes her. I am sure both of them are already seeing each other secretly. Yes. You're right. But something is not adding up.
Yes. Something like what?
I mean, the three of us share same room and we are almost always together. So? Yes, there's no way such a thing will be happening and we wouldn't notice. Look, I mean, I've never woken up a night and she's missing. So when were all those things happening? When?
Adako, forget what you're saying.
A thief that wants to thief will not go to where he or she is being caught. Yes. Okay, even husband and wife that live together in the house, do you see them having sex? But after 9 months, you just see pregnancy comes out from anywhere. Forget that boy's crocodile tears. He's just deceiving us. Even if Naya's acting, she cannot deceive me. I know all those things.
But if nothing happened, why will the king summon us? Something must have made him to call all of us and address us in that manner.
I can swear for Ifunanya, she's too decent and womanly to involve herself with such a shameful act. She can't.
So why did the king summon us?
I don't know. Maybe someone is going to tell lies about Ifunanya and that new boy. Yes.
Who could that be?
At least I know 2 people in this palace that do not see eye to eye with that new boy. So you never can tell.
And who could that be?
You want to hear it from me? It will never happen. Let's go and finish what the queen asked us to do to avoid another summons.
God, what have I done? What have I done to myself? Why didn't I think well before acting? God, forgive me.
Jeff, the king sends for you. I said the Igwe wants to see you now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come with me now.
Oh no, God help me.
Are you aware of the punishment that awaits any false accusation against any member of this royal family?
Igwe, I already reported what I saw.
What did you see?
Igwe, the picture.
Apart from the picture, maybe apart from the night you referred to, have you ever seen them in any compromising position.
Igwe, I have seen them talk together, stay together. In fact, Igwe,
I've not seen them do any other thing.
Igwe, a lot. But still, Igwe.
Go back to your duty post.
Igwe.
I know somebody did this. I know somebody went to report to the king about me and that boy. What I don't understand is, why so much hatred for this boy? What did he do to you people? And what?
Ifunanya, if you know who you are addressing, you better call the person's name. Stop speaking in riddles. You're disturbing me.
Ha! Well, if you're waiting for me to call anybody's name, you will wait for eternity. Because I will do no such thing. The person knows herself and the person is close.
Ifunanya, then stop making noise. As you don't want to call the name of the person, stop making noise. Let me have peace.
Nkechi is right. It's only 3 of us in this particular room. It's obvious it's either you're suspecting Nkechi or you're suspecting me. But you're not bold enough to say it. And if you're not bold enough to say it, you better keep quiet because you're just making noise.
I will not keep quiet. It is my mouth. I will speak whenever and however I want to. I will not keep quiet.
As no one...
Ifunanya, the king wants to see you now. Come with me.
You better go out there and defend yourself. Not to come here and be speaking riddles. You're shouting him, no who told the king.
Can you say with certainty that it is not true?
Yes, agree. Yes.
What about this? Yes. Who is this?
That is us, but hey, people are wicked. People are very wicked. Your Highness, people are very...
Waiting for you to talk.
Sorry, Your Highness. On that very day, that boy Obinna was badly humiliated. He was so humiliated, he was down. The princess had slapped him. Her boyfriend also kicked him. So he was crying. I only went there to encourage him and give him some words of advice. Because prior to my coming there, he had made up his mind to leave the palace. But after talking to him, he agreed to stay. That was what happened. Your Highness.
And the hog.
The hug was after I spoke to him kindly. Yes. He requested for a hug, a honest, friendly hug, and I gave him. And we both noticed a flash, but we didn't know someone had taken a picture of us. But it was just a honest hug. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
You knew there was nothing going on, yet you lied against them for reasons best known to you.
I'm sorry, my king. I saw them hugging and I thought they were doing something deep. Please, forgive me, my king.
But you lied to me that you had seen them at various points and in compromising positions. Several places, apart from the night of the picture.
It was only that night, my king.
But was that what you told me before?
No, my lord.
First, you keep him without food. Then you accuse him falsely. Who knows what you will do next?
I won't do another thing, my king. From today, I'll treat him nicely. In fact, I will treat him like my blood brother. Please, forgive me.
You're wicked. You're soulless. Go to your chamber. Pack your belongings. Leave this palace. You are fired this minute.
Please, my king. I'm the breadwinner of my family. A lot of much fed from my salary. Please, my king, forgive me. I will do it again.
Leave my presence.
Please, my king.
Leave my presence!
Mama, I don't know why they hate that boy so much. Yes. A young poor boy that came to the palace to work and better his life. They all just hate him so much. They humiliate and embarrass him at every given point in time. Mama, I am sure that I am the only one that goes to him with kind words. Else he would have left that palace a long time ago.
Yeah. How come you nearly lost your job?
Mama, I only went to encourage him with kind words after I saw what the princess and her fiancé did to him that day. They almost killed him. Only went to encourage him and let him know that good things don't come easily and that he should be patient.
Yes.
Hey. We finished having the conversation. And then he was very happy and relieved and asked me for a hug. A honest hug. A very honest hug that I gave. And the next day, someone snapped us picture with camera phone. Yes. The king was so angry that he summoned all of us and told us that he had a report that some of us have been misbehaving in the palace at odd hours. Telling you, Mama. But I thank God for the truth. I thank God that nobody can cover the truth. When I was called upon, I said my truth and that was all. I guess when the king heard me out and saw how the poor boy was weeping and devastated, he just let us go.
Who could have done this? Who took the picture and reported to the Igwe?
I don't know.
Hey!
All I know is that everyone in that palace hates that boy so much. It could be anybody.
How? It is okay, my daughter. It is okay. Don't join them in hating that poor boy. That innocent poor boy. Always be a shoulder for him to lean on.
Okay, Mama.
It takes only one person to make the world a better place. Only.
Okay, Mama.
Adao.
I'll keep doing my best.
How? Mama that tabu ya nafufu. Chai. How? Tufiakwa. Because I already know you've introduced Chike to your father as your fiancé. So why are you so excited? Why are you so full of butterflies as though he is your lover?
Mom, the last time I checked, I am not married to Chike, or am I?
Meaning?
Meaning that I am super single, ready to mingle, until I tangle with my soulmate. Yes. Mom, listen. Stop being dramatic. What is there not for you to understand? Wake up to reality, okay? It's not like your days. As far as I'm not married to Chike and I'm single, I am free to date other men till I say I do.
Strange. Really strange.
Maybe to you, yes. But to me, no. You better wake up to 21st century realities. You should be happy for me.
Don't touch me.
Oh, stop being dramatic. I've not done anything wrong, have I?